Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase the bass on Spotify using your Android phone. If you love deeper bass in your music, then stick around because it's super easy. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Spotify app on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. And now tap on Settings and Privacy. In the settings menu, you will see an option that says playback. Simply tap on it. In the playback section, scroll down and you will see an option of equalizer. Once you find it, tap on it. If it's your first time here, the equalizer might be turned off. So go ahead and toggle it on. And here you will see different presets to increase and reduce the bass. If you want to increase the bass, you can select the preset which named Bass Booster. And you can also control the frequencies with these sliders. And that's it. You have successfully increased the bass on Spotify using your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.